I'm gonna work on sealing some windows that I no longer want. There are 4 windows in here that are going to get permanently covered up. So we need to do that and make sure they're all sealed up. So I have this one window that I just hate. It is slightly different than all of the others, like just in the way that it's built, and it wasn't caulked properly and it doesn't stay closed properly. And I'm assuming that maybe like one of the windows got broken and they like replaced it with like an aftermarket that like didn't fit right. I don't know. But I just re-caulked it, so at least it's like sealed now. It's gonna stop leaking. The next step with these windows was to permanently seal all of the ones that are going to be covered up. So I started by sealing the interior and then closing them, and then I went back and sealed all of the kind of cracks that were left all the way around the upper portion of the window, which is the portion that opens and closes. Next task is going to be covering up things that we don't want to get spray paint on, because we are going to black out some windows with black spray paint. So we've got paper and blue painter's tape, and we're just going to kind of just like cover up the windows that we are keeping around the windows that we're blocking out. So. So there was a Freon leak a while back, and I think some of my insulation is coated in and holding on to Freon, which is not fun. But luckily I have extra insulation, so like it's fine. I'm just gonna pull it out probably and replace it. But that sucks. Luckily, the way that I discovered this is that it leaks into the paper. So I can put the paper up to test like how many panels have it. Yeah, this one definitely does. So the Freon leak was in like this corner, so like that makes sense. It's just, it is frustrating, you know? Because I was pretty excited about being able to save a lot of this. Time to finally spray paint these windows. Whew. Whew, that is strong stuff. The first coat was just to was a super light, foggy coat just to give the rest of the paint something like to stick to. And now we are going in with another coat. So these are the windows that I haven't blacked out, and you can still kind of see into the bus. Like, they are pretty heavily tinted, but you can still see in for sure. And then these back 2 windows I have blacked out, and this is only 2 coats, and it's already like such an insane difference. You can't see in through them at all. And I might do a 3rd coat. So yeah, not me swearing 1 can of paint would be enough, and it wasn't. So the windows are half blacked out. Thanks for watching this mini episode of bus building. Come back on Sunday to find out why I'm cutting 2 giant holes in the roof of my bus. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. And let me know in the comment section any questions that you might have about my process or my plans. Thanks for watching.